In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Twilio API Key credentials for N8n, whether you're a developer, a hobbyist, or simply someone eager to integrate Twilio with N8n for seamless automation. This guide is just for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Twilio credentials ready to go, allowing you to connect Twilio with N8n efficiently. To start, let's head over to the Twilio console. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Twilio console login page. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. If not, you'll need to create an account, which is straightforward and involves verifying your email and phone number. Once you're inside the Twilio console, you'll notice a dashboard showcasing various options. For our purposes, we'll focus on acquiring API credentials, so let's prepare to switch over to N8n. In your N8n workspace, you might see a plus sign or a button specifically dedicated to creating or adding new nodes. This is your next stop, as we need to add Twilio as a step in your workflow. With the node creation interface open, type Twilio into the search bar. This search will help you locate the exact node you need for Twilio tasks like sending SMS, MMS, or WhatsApp messages. Once you've spotted the send node, click on it to add it to your workflow. Now that you have the Twilio send node in your workflow, it's time to connect it with your Twilio account. Look for the option to add credentials or connect an account. Twilio requires specific credentials, namely the Account SID Auth Token. Click on Create New Credential to begin linking your account details. Switch back to your Twilio console now. Here, you will find your Account SID prominently displayed on the dashboard. Simply copy the SID by either right-clicking to copy it or using a convenient copy button if available. Once you've copied the SID, switch back to N8n and paste it into the respective field for the Twilio node. But there's one more piece to the puzzle, the auth token. Return to the Twilio console where you'll find the auth token, usually located near the SID. Make sure you're prepared to keep this information secure as it grants access to your Twilio account. Copy this token the same way you did with the SID, then paste it into N8n in the corresponding field for authentication. With both the SID and auth token in place, the final step is to save your credentials in N8n. Look for a save button typically located near the entry fields and click it. This action finalizes the addition of your Twilio credentials, officially connecting your N8n workflow to your Twilio account. And there you have it. You've now successfully secured your Twilio API Key credentials for N8n, opening up a world of automation opportunities with this powerful integration.